All my dancehall artists, get your music review live. So right now we're on the Dancehall Turn Up Spotify playlist, so you can send your music over also and get your music add to the playlist. You know what I mean? See that there scrolling past? Link the link tree. Go grab your dancehall review. Also, you can stick it on the website also. Everydaydancehall.ca website. You know what I mean? So all the dancehall artists them submit your music. Send your music over. We review that live right here. You know what I mean? Big up to all the independent dancehall artists them, producer them, DJ them, everybody that's doing their thing. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. All my artists them, same speed, no difference. Keep pushing your music. You know what I mean? Have a new single, promote the single. Like we said, hit up the link. Everydaydancehall.ca/review. We review your music, give positive feedback, help you how to market it also too. If you need your help with that, we help you out with that also too. So go hit up the website, everydaydancehall.ca. And also you could check out the Dancehall Turn Up link tree. Submit your music, send your music over, you get review. We post you on the YouTube, we post you on the TikTok, we post you on all the social media. You know what I mean? Big up to all my dancehall artists them out there. Everyday dancehall turn up. Big up on yourself.